After heavy rainfall in Karachi, chances of dengue spreading in the city has increased immensely. Dengue fever has already affected 121 people in Sindh, but the widespread of the bone-breaking fever in Punjab has alerted the Sindh government to take preventive measures.
खुदा ना खास्ता ऐसा हो जाता है तो फिर अब्बासी शहीद ही नहीं होगा इसके लिए, बल्कि क्योंकि ये पूरे मुल्क का मसला है। एडिशन ऑफ हॉस्पिटल्स होता चला जाएगा, स्टार्टिंग विद JPMC एंड द सिविल हॉस्पिटल, और फिर हम उसको फैलाते चले जाएंगे ताकि पेशेंट मैनेजमेंट होती चली जाए इस हवाले से।
A campaign consisting of 40 vehicles will begin in Karachi, which will spray different areas of the metropolitan to prevent the mosquitoes from breeding. The areas will be sprayed twice a day to prevent the spread of diseases like malaria and dengue. Oil will also be added to stagnant water to stop the breeding of mosquitoes. Sindh Health Department has also made the necessary preparations to counter the dengue fever.
टेस्टिंग मटेरियल, डेंगू के मेगा यूनिट्स के लिए, स्प्रेज के लिए, ये सारी चीज़ें प्रोसेस में आ चुकी हैं।
Only a couple of hospitals in Karachi have the cell separator, which are not enough for the increasing number of dengue patients. Scientists in Brazil have finally found a cure after experimenting on a genetically modified mosquito that eats the dengue mosquito. Doctors in Pakistan also need to catch up with the medical experiments and researches taking place around the world in order to find a cure for the disease as soon as possible. Reporting by Kiran Nas for Express 24/7.